Yeah, hello, Pastor about Franco Trading Enterprise, phone Papa Fee, appliances Papa Fee, and I make come for the show and I pay. Now, with him say a demonstration, and ni braba krido near the red buboyeti. I don't know, ni braba. Now, on the 1st of November, it is fun. Until nye kokosem ya ni abreko jenia ko bibia ya papa bia o wiase bia efita bibia ma sha say premature ejaculation di on colors from musa eh ko wardrobe nim na hese fita de obia o fita say fita papa o wa fita na de beko aye kwasi da sorry fita na de ko bibia white. But master down me bottom is ya. O dey ma premature ejaculation go so. O ta say, it is white bra. On the first you. Come on. Bobby bitch say white and the shades of white. The white no say be bra. White come on. Now about me appropriate any idea. So o say white e kunimdi. O say white e good news. No be a good news, o be good news. Aba. Resonate with the white. Na good news bra. What is it? It's an opay na yabani say ya. Nan rakwe UEFA Champions League night near the Honsam Kakrabe by Netherlands Europa League and Conference League. Ninga achine kufude ba the Black Queens of Ghana jina kono Kumasa Asante Kotoko jina kono the Ghanaian Premier League weekend ya bo remu kakrakra achine sembe brini achine kufude ba metin kejuana kasa Erica Sirubueri now. Yabasha stay the UEFA Champions League the big boys from Bob Brenra the likes of Real Madrid Bayern Munich mo Liverpool mu nyina boy Chelsea so boy win for all those big boys. Now, I am more remuneration and games now. Wow. And so I don't know the course so in there you wait for Champions League and not to say yes. And matches there interesting part. Before I record the other results, the particular game where Liverpool man of the match, Virgil van Dijk, Emma van Dijk and Kasa Sanse Oma Bremuye papa and almost especially going down cross and I'm back. Virgil van Dijk.
I'm obviously quite longer in the business than others, but obviously that's definitely a message that we have. You know, the only way that you can play your game in the best way possible is to focus on the task ahead, and that's perform as a team, because that's the only way you can win games. Obviously, we have the individual quality; otherwise, you won't play for Liverpool. We have to do it together in order to be successful and keep going, and don't get dragged into all that.
Virgil van Dijk, or your captain, the Liverpool, and down on Tuesday, 43 goals in the Wenra, 28 goals in a by more to say yes, goals to the Henry Humby Pie and still letting Haaland, a go so Badwam Harry Kane to go so Badwam goals in a bar no more 13 games, no 12 games for Haaland, 10 games for Harry Kane, back to back games, no more bar come and him na results to the goals in the bar at the more there. Now, young Shades and the results in ACA core year and Galatasaray Bodo Glimt by 3 goals to 1. Victor Osimhen and Club Bilbao and the Karabakh Atlanta. This is Avia Prakubian Shibi. Bayern Munich 4-0. Now, young Kenny now 1-1. You're rapping up, sending Ra games in Sequemini. I have Squabana Point joining me. You're about Hessena games, no sequoia in the UEFA Champions League. I'm not a boom near big boys, non round, which I'm Bobre, Tottenham and to me, I should go cry.
Well, it's Erico Remo match day 3 of the 2025-2026 UCL a year match day no bibia ekoye ewo and this particular match day I be breaking the record there down say yenya match day bia and I say match week bia it recorded more goals in the UCL 71 goals in total and I in Sakai about be breaking record na set by match day 5 of last season 2024-25 and of course match day 1 and so now 67 goals but we about being 71 goals.
That is Tuesday and Wednesday.
Okabomwa match week, you know, and match week 3. So it tells you say left with 5 match weeks. I had the league phase when you be you know. And sure, you be Remo knockout stage never you know. Out of the 189 matches I ever won last season, and I recorded the most goals, which is 618. And we are not this particular season about the breaky.
We got no goals by but your results. Nothing. And check here, Yababa Benya for the first time English
make us a site. Omo na recording most goals in a certain match week. So check say Liverpool mo about 5 goals, Chelsea about 5 goals, Arsenal about 5 goals, Manchester City recorded 2 goals, and then only Spurs. Omo na anya den enya goal it tells you say England for no kwama 19 goals and other nations so and out of
some Madrid tonight finish Juve boy surprising and I said expected.
I think say and I can say a straight win for Bubu friend say Real Madrid. The only surprise in this game is Kylian Mbappe upon all the chances are folly Edema Real Madrid no he couldn't find the back of the net game anymore. As for Juventus going to this game out of 11 matches are normal bono they had only 1 win. Abra 5 draws 5 losses, and even among last 5 matches are normal kwa win no now omunye nyare bia 4 draws 1 loss. So clearly now Real Madrid they have the upper hand and the dominance was on
back to winning ways Liverpool against Frankfurt.
I mean, and no, I'm catch on say this game. Now they are na slot. Ebetimi come say be quite disappointing the Liverpoolians because of recently the results now Liverpool and appetizing. Look at Mohamed Salah. Last season he was all over scoring from left and right, but Kamara said this season in the form not the PDA. But if you have Szoboszlai, if you have Hugo Ekitike and the likes, this is a game I'm going to meet Frankfurt definitely. I was saying
they have to come back. They have to come back. For the people must say 2-1 and a fee Monaco. Tottenham 0-0. Yanko next slide. Nafi.
So out of all the matches I boy from Tuesday to Wednesday, no Eriko, I mean, can say this 3 games depend on Yentimi
yes.
Pafos Kara, Amati, and Monaco, and that of Tottenham Hotspur, and Atalanta and Slavia Praha. These are the only matches I recorded.
Right, Victor Osimhen came to the party. Cheseda some Keto Akra Osimhen. It's me boa man team no area. Right, Apacho Yanko next slide. So
Victor Osimhen concerning him, no, I think say Osimhen se prebia ma. He's one attacker ahead of the World Cup. He's looking forward with the Super Green Eagles of Nigeria. Obetimi man club from Nesu. And so Okopemu Turkish football no dia and then what take over goals ni nyina no ono and Otimi Yenwo Duma Edom and on any day chance for lady ma branch of Victor Osimhen count him say no be find the back of the net at the Ama Galatasaray Sport Colombo and then Enyam so sensitive and now about the top scorers race now in wide Harry Kane. For now, Kuremo Bayern in 12 games, Eriko when you 20 goals in all competitions, and they say no, only the player what mean the fastest run to 20 goals in less number of games. Awabo Messi at the 13 goals, Cristiano Ronaldo and so 17 games. So clearly, a Brandon Didi Harry with Kane, he's in fine form on Putu Tana Edema Bayern Munich, not only in the Bundesliga, in the Champions League too, and now about the top scorers chart now. On the Kylian Mbappe now, or more 5-5. Erling Haaland so L4. It's surprising for Mbappe saying no went to many goals. We were expecting him say Nka when you have 5 goals before the match day 3, Nka you will go bit many the 7 goals and they the most in 3 match days are air first for any club. Makacho say people in Zaki and that of CR7. Omna ne kromo, but Kylian Mbappe couldn't equal and also Amwa Chelsea. And no my abakosem say omayisu 3 teenagers nkra omunya ni fishan aduno here Esteval or 18 years Tariq George or 19 and Mark Guyu and so 19 and no omunyina and so 18 final omo score sheet so oma be the first English side since 1992-93 so yusu nkra mensa omunyina ahye go so ho and no Bayern Munich so ya abakosem the youngest scorer in their history in the Champions League omo de akwara bia did Karl Lennart and so the juma on the first goal game anymore akwara be omo youngest scorer in the history of the Champions League. Don't forget say now no brother Susuno FC Barcelona and so introduce akwara ba ko a onya the full debut needing the Duro Fernandez also so 8 million goal at the age of 17 with himself to turn ekoye no anya many records but look mind the 3 e won say Karabag FK elusu ye de but man my a player bia eso bia dem di to meaning say in the transfer market most especially in the winter transfer January amount for Becon no needing Leandro Andrade odi djuma de ma Karabag eno a onyenya the only goal e de ma wo mo Eriko Abranti she goal in the first minute no she goal and eba be trademark Jama Abranti
okay that's fine
against Air Hacking in make it 2023 Obogo in December this particular year January Obogo the Tia Stua Buscaresti first minute and so Air 2025 January and Anura against Athletic Bilbao first minute or somebody team. So
it's fine.
Go there. What you say?
Yeah. After Anra games, say that table. Let's see, be so. I just want so it's just 3 match days since the end the table. Let's see, but there's Europa League and for the batch in Stuttgart, Bebo Olympic Lyon and Basel, Saturday Vigo in Nice, Mamo FF, Dynamo Zagreb, Nottingham Forest, and the FC Porto, Maccabi Tel Aviv, Midtjylland, and at the Bebweni, and on top of the table, Paris Saint-Germain. I just raw at the Abosso.
As of now, only.
So from 1 to 8, I qualify automatically to the next round. And they say, and
big ups to David Raya on Yansoma. Only the only 2 goalkeepers are as of now. Concede the goal behind Arsenal. They are yet to concede. And so our champions.
Right. So and ever has an Europa League Conference League in so EBC Acco and the Evans Cablan Sapona. What's in UEFA Champions League in the morning and the Black Queens of Ghana. Ejinakono. Yene Egypt na ebon patcho the WAFCON qualifiers ye betuma BBS ye tumi bodwuma na ye tumi qualify 4 p.m. and a match na ba so Bernard Paddy bo twe boy mu de ekoso camp and e kirisam
Ghana senior women national team, the Black Queens of Ghana, yene Egypt women national soccer team, Cleopatras, and the Bepem so ene no 9 pepepe. Ewo Suez Canal Stadium, Ghana, we a first leg yetoja ewo Egypt at the Ama 2026 African Women's Cup of Nations. WAFCON, Ghana Bayuano elbow modern so benya back-to-back WAFCON qualification. Obekai said the Black Queens of Ghana eto sumiensa ewo 2024 WAFCON were born afimu 2025 and J Bronze wambre che South Africa Bayuano on penalties a bomo and no enam soma 2026 qualifiers yeba ebe bono yene Egypt first leg, head coach Edema, the Black Queens of Ghana, came last Poggy Green, Edin Haumba Boamaye, Asia, Egypt.
It is what it is. So no excuses. We have prepared the team in the best way. We have watched Egypt, how we think that they're going to play, but more important, how we want to play. We know that we are a good team, so we have all the chances to win, especially over 2 games. I think the depth in our team is a little bit better, so I hope that will be the favor for us if you're looking over 2 games, because it's like the first game now is just going to be halftime, so the most important is to be the better team over 2 games.
Samson Chantel boy, Adia Tuja se onenemba yuano, Ariata so somebody bibi Adiama on my Ghana.
I think what the fans can expect from us is good energy, determination, and to see the togetherness that we brought together from the AFCON. We want to bring that into the upcoming games that we have, and hopefully we can strive and push on from there.
Well, I know the course of Black Queens camp. Now, you can't in teams say Jina apart from the Black Queens now. Koroko Sujinemu, Nyasam Keto Akroch, 7 p.m. Koroko versus WAC. Many okay, so I touch it down or a Morocco. Yamu head the Koso.
Mra ena kumanse ASANTE KOTOKO tumfo nananum metemba ukuma pema apembeba omutu 19 efi Ghana Kotoka International Airport. Odan weni editre Morocco. Na wodu Mohammed Vin Airport no WAC mpanyinfo age won first so Kotoko technical team playing body and our face on management members Ariata so say den second leg in the ombebo homodin edin kunim edema bobuko Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO etna Crown Sports Stadium edin to e kaba ko a wantimi nsi madaraka nyame ya doma fiade da yenimi and omode second leg no ebepem so na mbranti a omukogina Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO anemu against WAC no eni Aziz Haruna Dari Benjamin Tum Lord Amua Patrick Asiedu Zakaria Fuseni Francis Akwa Ansu Henry Sansona Samba O'Neil Joseph Ablo and Afenso Joseph Amwa Seth Kwejo Lord Hilary Adabo Hubert Jehu Sansona Emmanuel and Fuseni Walid Nema Amwa Philip Amidu Peter Akwa and Afenso Inusa Adams na Donzo Morfin Anna Albert Amwa and no team no kodu ye no am shake up kakra epem so ene anopei on metete one pomu na coach Karim Zito Kabute and in Branton no information a wobebo nyame ya domo a enumere on the final training section no ebe hye so sena CAF Imbrano etie.
So yeah, say Kotoko betimi ate Ghana ne momo ye the soul rep say wa Africa. Sane be ko no ye ka Kotoko asem no coach Frimpong Manson ye former coach de Kotoko ne Gold Stars Nigeria League asana all Africa ye bi no mo ebo na situ what the football shonko ama ye Kotoko company for.
And first, we cannot stand toe to toe with them now, unless they say, "Pia, yet me a transfer extra one year analyze your game, and then their qualities no crampono, and then no cram make here no more game, no a bit one you have just so much you. Omono aya at our level. Your boys, we need to let them under a consistency. Yet me maintain your boys now, yeah, you more yard you woman. Let's consistency between our basket, Abia, Kotoko now has. For that matter, Gold Stars or did last season. Every to me say every for 5 and 3 continuous years, then be able to Africa. But yeah, they no come back. I hear the next 2-3 editions. Yeah, who starts no hobby. Now another team will be magic. So for as I said, Kotoko to me said the next 5 seasons every year be over.
Right, Coach Frimpong Manson, na to Kotoko collapse out on for consistency in kwan betimi ye sa North Africans yabo. Sa dia for Garrett. The club no top player no china player no corner no. I den ya show mo behe. And ready Coach Frimpong Manson and dey at to. If you now ya can say no channel so mame. So on the 1st of November you share Legon Botanical Gardens and Adom color party be pacho family until ba no family na amra ne nhwebom wo so white ba na bibia da din na white nkunim die kwa ne de call the 1st of November. Franco Trading Enterprise yada mase ensa Franco yetimoso ane asore yada mase sama kan homa yede agudi mu nsam eba enanope Bernard Padibutwe and Pablo Aima me producers abuso ya no akade na nkasa kan kejuwa ne ho Erica Siedubuadi sister Ophelia ne Bra Bismarck. Over to you.
Hey, Eberase. America.
Like
a show red, the green, and call Legon Botanical Garden. The infrared no, and call ma Adolfo Yako.